So you're gonna do a survive plane crash, and it's cows, team cows. Make sure to subscribe and stuff. Yeah, you can win something if you do something. Yeah, I don't know exactly, but we're gonna play Survive Plane Crash Update by Ravenclaw Productions. So let's start this. Okay, allow. So this will be, guys, very fun, and hope you enjoy this video, but we're not doing it with Sam this time. He is playing Minecraft. Yeah, so what I'm doing is I'm right here, okay. Let's do this. Oh, man. I don't want to buy it. Ugh! Oh, radio, I should buy that. Up, bunny. Oh, yes, I made it to the roof. I made it to the roof. Guys, I made it to the roof. Oh, this is just so sweet. Wait, I'm in outer space? Oh no. Oh no, guys. We are in outer space. Okay, I'm just gonna kill myself. Bye bye, world! See you later. I hope. Oh man. I don't want to see that. Okay. Well, okay, there. I'm back to normal. Okay, that's good. Okay, where is everyone? Oh, they're all over here. Okay. Okay, this is weird. Whoa, there's something wrong. Yeah! Get out of here, people! What's wrong with people, these days? I'm not gonna get to it. We're respawning. Oh yes, I just can't wait to do this. I feel so proud of myself. Oh, sort of. I survived. Oh yeah, this is it. I just feel so proud to play this game. I never played this game. Well, yes, your plane will be arriving soon. Yeah, this is gonna be so fun. Next plane will arrive soon. Yeah, please do this. I just really want to get on the plane. Really get on, please. Oh, yes. Can I go in? The plane will It's already that. So, how did they get out there? Oh man, it's gonna be very horrible. I really wish I could. What?
Doors are closing. Please do not block the doors.
Okay, we'll not block the doors. And guys, we were just so good. Except when the stupid plane already drove away. Wait. Oh wait, I can use the jailbreak. Going down. Huh. So wish I could do this. I'm just gonna go search around here for a few minutes. Plane will be spawned in. Oh, this is just take forever. Beep. Oh, still 108 minutes. Awesome. Who made this game? This is multiplayer anyway, because this is just so boring. I don't want to get to this plane already. Man. I think I missed my flight. I thought I missed my flight. Oh, yeah. Hey, that's easy. The easy number, guys, right? Well, even though I can't really do this well, but please subscribe. Actually, please subscribe. For now, I only have 3 subscribes. Well, it's just my brother from his YouTube channel who just subscribed. But I just really hope you guys subscribe, please. I just really want them badly. Maybe. Because I'm not I really want them. Just my brother has 26 subscribers. Well, we're hoping to get probably like almost 209 subscribes. Yeah, that's what we're hoping to get, but I probably won't get that much because I am sort of bad. Yeah. Well, we did do some train crashes when we were playing Thomas and that thing, because Thomas is insane. Oh, yep, 7-6. Where in the world is it? Run, run. Aw, we'll be arriving soon. Just us, looks like. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna stand next to you guys. You can hear it, you're ready to leave. Yes. Aw, there it is. Jump on somebody. Yes. I'm gonna be on top of it.
Doors are closing. Please do not block the doors.
Okay. Here we go. Here I go. Where do you even go? Okay, this is. Oh, huh. Whoa! People are shooting. Oh no! Oh guys! Ah! Alex! How do I move? Okay. How do I move, guys? Oh, what is it? Okay. That was weird, but. Oh! What's this place gonna respawn? Anyone there? Oh, she is, and I am sorry. Yeah. I called Dez to get up here. I'm gonna stay up here for the rest of the time, so that I can get this plane. I just really. Oh, yeah. I just hope I survive. Cause this taking so long. What do I do? Okay, I was just so freaked out for that time. Jump on somebody's head. I'll jump on your head! Yes! That is so unfair. That is so fun. Yep. So fun. Like I'm about to cry. I feel like I'm gonna cry. Okay, I wasn't going to, but. Yeah! Ah! Man, okay, I'm gonna hop on you guys' heads. Why do I always have to fall off the thing? I'm gonna jump on this cool dude's head, cause you aren't a cool dude. I am. I can survive with both of my legs cut off. That would just be that's horrible. That's horrible. Okay, I'm not sad. It's just it's just my life. Oh man, what? Oh, the plane's gonna be arriving soon. I need to get up. Get up here. When the door's gonna be open? Oh, dude. What is it? That's not. Oh! How dare you try to knock me off? Jailbreak. Jailbreak.
Doors are closing. Please do not block the doors.
I will not block the doors. Whoa. Where's the other plane? Whoa! Oh man, what's this? Oh man, I just want to fly off the plane. Yeah, pretty much. That's pretty fun. Sorry about that, but guys, yeah. We are going to do this. We have to. If we can only survive the jailbreak, we need to survive it. Because if we don't survive this thing, we'll die first. Well, thank you for watching part 1. We'll see you in part 2. And hopefully my brother will be in this. I'll see you guys on the next video. Please subscribe and see you guys all in the next video. So I just got exit this. So, yep. See you guys all in the next video. Bye!